Hi, my name is Leo Nikita Mehta. I'm from Leo Club of Bombay, Garodia Nagar. My company's name is HD Pixelite. HD means high definition and pixelite means there are small pixels which combines and make one photo. So that's how I came up with the name HD Pixelite. We are one stop for all the photography solutions, be it photography or cinematography or videography, and we specialize in wedding films and candid weddings. Photography was always my passion, and since it's been almost 5 to 6 years now that I'm doing photography, so then I decided to change my passion into a profession. So I remember there was an uncle of mine who inspired me that you have a hidden talent in you, and I think you should take this thing quite seriously. So that's how I decided that I should start thinking of this on a serious note, and started professionally. So now it's been 3 years that I have built my company and I'm running this. Since my field has always been a very male dominant field, like most of the photographers and videographers you see are all male, so it's a very male dominant field. So I was very cautious before getting into this field, that I was not sure how the response is going to be and how people would be reacting. But after starting to work and like being on the field, I have noticed that people give you the equal respect, or I would rather say more respect than what they give to male photographers. That the moment they see, oh, there's a female photographer, they'll be like, oh wow. I mean, they're very shocked and very happy to see that now females are getting into each and every field. So the amount of respect and everything that we receive is really great. Challenges that I've always faced is a timing issue, since weddings start off early in the morning and gets over late in the night. So traveling late nights was an issue, but I would say I was very lucky to have my family's support. They never said that, oh, you're a girl, how would you come alone late in the night. Obviously they were tensed, but they knew that I'm doing something, so I'm already aiming for some goals. So they were very supportive in each and everything. So being a girl, I don't think I've ever been scared that, oh, I have to come alone late in the night, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever the time was. Everyone was very supportive. I think women nowadays are getting more and more stronger, and I would rather say that instead of thinking negatives, that coming late in the night, this could happen, that could happen, we could rather be strong, that okay, nothing is going to happen, I am there to take care of myself. That is the only way you could encourage yourself and reach where you want to. Even this very video that you're seeing right now has been shot by me. So basically the main idea behind shooting this series was to start this series was to encourage entrepreneurship and inspire others to start believing in yourself and do whatever your heart says and follow your passion.
Hi, this is Leo Krisha Mehta from Leo Club of Bombay, Garodia Nagar. First, let me share you the excitement which I am having right now. It's a great feeling to be interviewed by someone else, because generally only I interview people when I take bites with Krisha Mehta. दोस्तों, आज की नारी सब पे भारी. Wishing you a happy Women's Day. Krisha Mehta नाम ही काफ़ी है. Guys, I mean to say that Krisha Mehta itself is a brand. Professionally, I am a CS LLB and I am a legal consultant. But apart from that, I have a lot of zeal and passion into events and anchoring. So since almost last 10 years, I am into anchoring. I host events and I am also into event management. And this is totally flowing in my blood. So I have never prepared in my life for anchoring, or you can say for hosting or managing any events. So this is a passion which I would say that apart from being a professional, legal professional, events are something which I like, and for me it is really natural, because I really relate to the emotions of the people. If I have to put it in the right way, it is like if you are hosting someone's wedding, so with the emotion that it is a father or it is a daughter, so with that emotions, if you get attached, I think things flow, and that is how you make successful events or memories for people. There are a lot of things which has inspired me to enter this field. I would firstly put in that the surroundings in which you are born and brought up. Yes, my parents very much. They are very jolly and active people. They have been participating and doing events and being at places many times. So since childhood I have been to a lot of places and explored many things. And apart from that, I would say Leo has been a great platform, and rather Leo is the place from where the confidence level has started. And apart from that, the professionalism, the passion which turned to professionalism is all thanks to Leoism and the friends and family members who have always boosted. And apart from that, inspiration, I'll say, is your own clients and appreciations and motivation which you receive from them. So I truly thank each and everyone. I would like to say that the field in which I am, both the legal and the event management, it is a very bold field, and a lot of challenges have to be faced by females. First, I would like to say kudos to all the mothers who are supporting their daughters in this particular field. Yes, definitely there are chances, there are situations wherein you are being seen by the society in a different angle when you choose a bold field in your life. So in this particular situation, I would suggest all the females who are especially in this particular field, because I have faced the challenges in this particular manner, that you always have to be confident about you yourself, because whatever you are doing is not only for your own passion or for your own satisfaction in life, but you are also giving back something to the society by doing this wonderful job. So I would rather put it in this way: stay confident, be confident, and always believe in yourself to face any challenges in life. It's a male dominated society, but let me say this very important thing, that today females have come ahead, the 21st century, as we portray that females are this, females are that, but it would have been impossible without the contribution from all the male counterparts in our lives, our father, brother, all my male friends. So I totally, thoroughly, wholeheartedly thank each and every person, because the confidence and trust shown by them and given by them has brought me here, and I'm sure many other females who have reached somewhere, some pinnacle in their life, that there is a lot of contribution. And today on this Women's Day, I wholeheartedly thank each and every males in my life, and yes, and all those who have been a part of it and are going to be a part of it in future. So thank you each and everyone for making me and my life successful. So to all the beautiful ladies and women out there, a very lovely message to all you wonderful people. Let us march together, because talent wins games, but teamwork wins championships. So together we can achieve something. Believe in yourself, stay confident. Love you all.